plastic bag up to 1 liter of capacity.
Heading way to the bar? Let's get back to this glass lifts.
Only 1 bag per passenger is allowed.
Ricorda che il passaggio al controllo seguita che non è stato permesso il servizio
We can go into the glass. But then escalators. I used to say this lift was really amazing. All the both of the glass lifts were really amazing. But they were saying there was decent crab lifts here. Ooh. I love this lift, that lift branch too. This is disabled the wound. Because one day I was coming here and I was thinking, see, I can live in few minutes. See, invited that isn't crab lifts and they were coming here, but there were none. So anyways, let's go to the bar. But I was thinking, these are some more lifts here in the airport. This could be really amazing. But really a lot of faces scenes. Well, but I was thinking that the list of here is really amazing. And it has really cool things this list here. The cool things a lot. They must be in the other one of the another list of the generics, but in the small version. So how can we get all the way down to the second floor, to the ground floor? So most of the one people that can push the second floor with in the brown thing. So anyways, let's get in the rest of the tour into the lift to the cafe. This is the emergency staircase. Well, these escalators. For some of these escalators in Roblox. All of the escalators are really moving very fast. But when they put the escalators with the emergency stop button, they had clicked in, but it didn't work. I was thinking so, but I didn't record anything in Roblox on my pad, in anything in Minecraft. Really hot. What is this going to be? This is the control tower. I hope that there's one lift there. Now here we come in the building with the bar. This is we come here. It's a long way. I think so. New things. freaking god. This building is called the Scenic Block. Now inside there and into the next lift. This lift is one of the really amazing lifts that I've never seen. Zero. We go down to here in 0, 2, 'the ceiling, the lights are fan are playing, so it doesn't mean. Let's get out of the lift and then went to the bar. One.
Vámonos de carro. Así está.
Cool and getting off. Let's go back to our car. Is this the end? This can be the end, guys.
Stop, yeah.
That's it.